homemade there, and make sure you don't mix it. As soon as you see the colour come through, turn the heat off, add the butter and mix it around for a couple of minutes until it's nice and smooth. And then pour it all over the popcorn and mix it together, and just be aware that it sets really fast, so you gotta be quick. Transfer it onto a baking tray, let it set for a few minutes and then break it up and you're done. This is literally the perfect movie night snack. I mean, who doesn't love?
Let's make some popcorn. You're gonna add a tip of oil, enough to coat the bottom of the pot, then a fourth a stick of butter. Mix the butter and oil together. Then you're gonna add your corn kernels. They should coat the bottom of your pan evenly. Then add a little bit of salt, mix that up. Your corn kernels are gonna toast a little bit before they start to pop. Once they start popping, add your lid. Make sure your lid has a little hole so that air is released and you're not steaming your popcorn, because we don't want mushy popcorn. We want a nice crunch to our popcorn. Of course, you can add other seasonings, but we just wanted regular old butter popcorn. And don't forget to enjoy.